Hello everyone, my name is Taylan Adıgüzeloğlu and this is my EEE 102 project presentation. Let's check my design. My project is an ultrasonic sonar which uses an HC SR04 ranging sensor, a servo motor, LEDs and basis 3 volt. HC SR04 only has a 15-degree measuring angle. I came up with the idea of using a servo motor in order to rotate my sensor, so that it would detect object within the reach of half its perimeter, instead of being limited to 15-degree angle. Let us illustrate this by using a book as an object for the sensor to detect. There are 3 LED lights at every 90-degree angles. The farthest light detects objects which are within 60 cm to 40 cm proximity to the sensor. The middle light detects objects which are within 40 cm to 20 cm proximity to the sensor. And the closest light, which is this, detects objects which are within 20 cm to 0 cm proximity to the sensor. When the object is within 20 cm of the sensor, the first LED turns on, as you see. Now I have moved the book further. It is between 40 cm to 20 cm proximity to the sensor. As you can see, the second LED turned on, while the first one turned off. Finally, I moved the book even further away. Now it's between 60 cm to 40 cm proximity to the sensor. The third LED turned on, while the second LED turned off. I have 3 options of control over the sensor through the use of switches. The first option is for 0 degree, as you see. The second option is for 90-degree LEDs, here. And the third option is 180-degree LEDs. Let us now look at option 2, which switches the sensor to check the 90-degree side. Now I will apply the same procedure. First LED turned on. I move away. First LED turned off and second LED turned on. I move the book far away. Second LED and third LED off. The third LED on. Finally, I move the book out of the reach of the sensor, and as we can see, all of the LEDs are turned off because there is no object for sensor to detect. And watch the sensor's movement now to see that the third option is also operational. Here you can see it works finally.